Welcome to the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. This is Nature Crafts with the Loxahatchee staff. I'm Ranger Serena, and today we're not going to be making an actual nature craft, but we're going to be making actually a marshmallow hot chocolate snowman buddy. See him right here? So, what you're going to need for him is you're going to need some marshmallows. You're going to need some stick pretzels. You're going to need mini chocolate chips, not the big ones, the mini ones. You're going to need skewers. 4-inch ones are really good to use. I happen to have some leftover candy corn from Halloween, so I'm going to use that for his nose. And then I picked up some decorating icing, just black, for his eyes and his mouth. But he's going to look like this when we're done. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get 3 marshmallows. If you're like me and you like hot chocolate, this guy can certainly be in your hot chocolate cup. And then you're going to actually just skewer him. Skewer the 3 marshmallows together. And then you're going to need 4 stick pretzels. And you are going to, and I actually used another skewer, and I kind of made holes for myself to put his arms. Whoops. Okay, guess what? That goes in the mouth. I kind of made a hole first so I could stick the hole first with the other skewer, so I could stick the pretzels in for his arms and his legs. And then actually I stuck it up near his mouth, so that's probably not a good thing. His arm's coming out of where his mouth is? No, not a good thing. But we can certainly use that hole for his nose. There we go. And then 3 or 4 little mini chocolate chips down the center of him for his buttons. And then, like I say, I bought some decorating icing, but you can use what you want. And just and there you have it. So pretty fun little wintertime craft. And guess what? He gets to sit in your hot chocolate with you. So this is what he looks like when we're finished. Thanks for joining us at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.